Understanding a physician's philosophy is important when evaluating whether or not a physician is right for you. So, what are the types of questions you should ask or know? Well, let's talk with Dr. Cindy Greenberg, a pediatrician with MarinHealth, and find out her physician philosophy. This is the Healing Podcast brought to you by MarinHealth. I'm Bill Klaproth. Dr. Greenberg, thank you so much for your time. It's great to talk with you. So first off, what made you decide to become a physician?
I have always wanted to be a doctor. I think I was born a caregiver. I just have always taken care of people, and I really enjoy it. It is what makes me who I am.
Wow, that's nice to be so young and really know what you want to be. Did you have an interest in medicine as well growing up?
Probably not specifically medicine, just more caring for people. I did grow to enjoy the science quite a lot, and my brain is much more a mathematical and science one than a writing and philosophical one, although I do enjoy those also.
Very good. So how did you choose primary care?
I think you can care for people more deeply and get more connected with people in primary care. And I have worked with children my entire life. I was a gymnastics coach starting at about 12. So in order to pay for my gymnastics, I started to teach. And I taught children all the way till I went to medical school. And I thoroughly enjoy being with them.
Yeah. So speaking of medical school, where did you receive your education and training?
I went to Medical College of Wisconsin, and then I went to UCSD.
So what is your philosophy of care then? How do you approach the care of your patients?
I want to treat everybody as unique, wonderful human beings. I want to really just see them as a whole and help them become what they can be.
Yeah, it sounds like you really have to have an understanding of people and children, considering the variety of children that you see on a daily basis.
I love my job for that reason. We have a very multicultural office, and every day I see people from many different countries and different ages, and some foster care. I do the foster care system, and so I get to work with many, many different people, and I thoroughly enjoy my practice because of that.
You know, in your position, you get to see the humanness of us all. An earache is an earache, right? A stomach ache is a stomach ache. A broken arm is a broken arm, no matter what your skin color or nationality or religion. Is that kind of what you see in people? We're all created equal, and we all hurt and feel the same pains.
It is so easy to do that with children because children just are lovely and insightful and honest. And yes, no matter where they come from or what their background is, they are just children. And I'm so lucky to be able to work with them every day.
So, Dr. Greenberg, you said you went to medical school in Wisconsin. What brought you to the Bay Area?
Well, my family's originally from the Midwest, and then my parents moved to Marin County when I was little, and I actually grew up in Marin County and really enjoy being back and forth between both of them. I got to spend a lot of time with my grandparents when I was in medical school, seeing them frequently, and then I came back here because I actually love the ocean and like Marin County a lot.
Kind of the best of both worlds with the Midwest and the West Coast. So when it came to MarinHealth specifically, I'm sure you had other options in Marin County. What drew you to MarinHealth?
I think MarinHealth is really trying to bring something to Marin. It's trying to create a safe and honest home of medicine for all of Marin County, and I believe in it, and I think it really has something positive going on and a really great future ahead of it.
A safe and honest home of medicine for all of Marin County. I love how you said that. So then, Dr. Greenberg, if you could, just so we could get to know you a little bit better, could you share a little bit more about your personal life?
Oh, I have raised 3 children in Marin with a lovely husband who's also a physician. And I now have a child that's just turned 23 and 2 that are going to be 21, twins, a boy and a girl. And it's been so much fun having 3 children, and now they're in college, and I'm a very, very proud mother.
I bet. And it must have been cool for your kids to have a mom who's a pediatrician.
some days.
Right. Right. I bet. Oh, that's funny.
Yeah.
So is there anything else you'd like your patients or us to know about you?
I guess that I just feel like I'm one of the luckier people in the world that I get to go to work and do what I love and to take care of people and be with children and add to the benefit and to the health of Marin County and the children.
I love that answer. Dr. Greenberg, thank you so much. This has really been informative. It's been great to get to know you a little bit better, and thank you so much for your time.
Thank you for your time and all your help.
That's Dr. Cindy Greenberg, and to learn more, please visit mymarinhealth.org. And if you found this podcast helpful, please share it on your social channels and check out the full podcast library for topics of interest to you. This is the Healing Podcast, brought to you by Marin Health. I'm Bill Klaproth. Thanks for listening.